The Black Ensemble Theater began in 1976. It began as a mission because I'm an actress. My first role was the movie Coolie High, and that movie propelled me into the film industry, where I experienced firsthand racism in a totally different way. And I decided, hey, this cannot continue. We cannot live like this in a world of racism. And I decided to do something about it. So I came back to Chicago and started the Black Ensemble Theater with the mission to eradicate racism and the devastating effects that it has on society.
The mission of eradicating racism will always stay the same here at the Black Ensemble Theater, but it's evolved. It's evolved with the productions that we put on, the people that are in the audience. We've grown as an organization. We've gotten a new facility. We've been here for about 10 years. We're being able to bring more people in to join us in the conversation.
You know what COVID-19 has done? Look, y'all. This is what it has done. Totally empty seats, totally empty theater.
During these difficult times, we've been able to do things virtually. Our programs we've been able to have virtually. We also were able to film our Plays with a Purpose program. That's our Theater for Young Audiences. Facebook Lives on Friday nights where you get to meet different people from the Black Ensemble Theater. Whether it be actors, directors, stage managers. Also, just like business partners and Uptown Chamber, we were able to have our gala virtually this year. So we've been able to continue everything virtually and still make it all happen and stay relevant. But there's nothing like being in the theater and producing theater.
COVID-19 has been disastrous, but it can't beat us. We're too strong. Black Ensemble continues our fight, continues our struggle, because it's going to take us many, many generations before we eradicate racism. Our programming, our working with youth, our working in the community, our having events, bringing people together to talk to each other, having productions that help us to understand the foundation of racism and how we, as a people, can eradicate it. One play, one song, one production, one event at a time.
Black Ensemble Theater is an Uptown gem because it brings people together from all over the city. You get everybody in the room, you get the conversations going, and then you go from there. And that's what Black Ensemble has done. It's done since I've been here, since I started all those years ago, and it will continue to do until racism is no longer an issue that we have to deal with. So the conversations have changed, and our duty and our thoughts of how to move the needle have changed in the direction of making sure that there's more of a community and more conversation than it was ever before.
Hey, you know you can make a difference. You really can. First of all, start speaking to each other. You can start just by saying hello. Start respecting each other. No matter what your differences are, show some respect. Let's respect each other. We all deserve respect. Show that you care about your fellow human being. And if you see something that is wrong, that you know is racist, speak up and start supporting your cultural institutions. Support the Black Ensemble Theater because art is humanity. It's our mirror, and it helps us to understand who we are. That's how you can make a start. So if you want to make a difference, then join with us. Come to the productions, come to our events, and support us with your donations.